Meaning of Herculean.
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 Herculean. Herculean means requiring great strength or effort, named after the legendary Greek hero Hercules who performed feats of incredible strength. Its meaning is often associated with tasks or challenges that are difficult to accomplish and require a lot of determination and perseverance. Describing the result of a Herculean effort can vary depending on the specific context. It could involve overcoming significant obstacles or achieving a major accomplishment through sheer force of will and hard work. The end result might be something that inspires awe or admiration, or simply something that represents a personal triumph over adversity. Overall, Herculean implies an achievement that requires extraordinary effort and deserves recognition and respect.